it might not look as bad, but inside here is kind of a different case. Hi UC gang, welcome back to my channel. My name is ScheduleHer Collection for those who don't know, and I need to declutter. But seriously, my name is ScheduleHer Collection and I run a channel on natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is the sort of thing that you are into, then this is the channel to subscribe to. So like I said, I am decluttering today. I actually have a couple spaces that I need to clean out because they're just starting to get a little junky. It's that kind of situation actually where you use something all the time and you just keep leaving stuff on it unintentionally, and then eventually it just keeps piling up and piling up and piling up, and then eventually you look and you find that it's just kind of junky and you need to kind of do something about it. So this is kind of where I'm at with a few places. But today we're going to be doing my vanity, since it is the place that I look at every day. It's where I get myself ready, look myself in the mirror, tell myself I'm the greatest person in the world. So yeah, today we'll be doing my vanity. And maybe another place, but I'm not sure yet, depends. But I see this video being kind of short. So as you can see, this is pretty much what I'm looking at now. And it might not look as bad, but inside here is kind of a different case. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and clean up some stuff. Okay y'all, so this is a new deep conditioner that I got in the mail yesterday and I've been dying to try. So look out for a review of this coming soon, just a heads up. Just go ahead and explain some of my steps here and what I've been doing. So first, as you all saw, I went ahead and took care of all this stuff that was on top of here, and before I went down into the drawers and basically purged out everything that was in there. So here, maybe you can't really tell, I can understand if you don't, but I just kind of separated a little bit what was in the drawers by jewelry, makeup stuff, and bags, kind of some hair tools and just hair products, and then other kind of hygienic tools that I use occasionally. So what I'm doing now, basically I have no plan of action. I'm not completely sure where I'm gonna go from here, but because I have it separated, I have an idea that it's gonna all work out, and I'm just gonna kind of take it, you know, one section at a time to see where I actually want to put everything. Not everything I think will go back in here, but yes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to start with my products first, I think. I've also been throwing away stuff that I know I'm just not planning on using again. And we are done. Quick shout out to my friend who has this awesome new collection of stationery, and it is called the ScheduleHer Collection, and here is the website and her Instagram. And she makes these very cute notebooks. They're really cute. Look at this cover. Just who can beat this beautiful design? I can't wait to start writing in it. Please do go check it out. Her stuff is very cute. I've also seen the previews of the planner, and it is definitely a must-have, and I can't wait to get my hands on that too. So just wanted to shout her brand out. Now on to my little my vanity. Yes, onto my vanity. So this is the top. Let's go and take a little tour. Here we have my bonnet and shower cap, which is, refusing to stay closed a little bit. But my bonnet and my shower cap. And this top part is actually reserved for things I use literally every day. Like literally. I know that is a lot of stuff to be honest, but that's just me, and my life has requirements, okay? So my shower cap and sleeping bonnet. Then we have my hair stuff that I'm currently using every single day now. Here's my leave-in and oils for my edges, and then my stuff for my protective style that I'm currently using, and of course always gotta have a water spray bottle on you. Then of course you got my toothbrush, my toothpaste. Then here's my skincare stuff. Let's move this body stuff out the way. My skincare stuff. I have my cotton rounds, my stuff for my face, like my face wash, exfoliant, sunscreen, moisturizer, serum. Then on to my makeup brushes. Actually, now that I think about it, maybe they shouldn't be here, but it kind of does look pretty being here anyway, so I'll keep them here for now. Then here's my stuff for my body. That is a good image of what you see here. This is the after, you guys, and it looks pretty and neat. Let's see how long it can stay that way. It better stay that way for long. But let's go down under, which of course has more stuff. Okay, I'm scared it's gonna drop on me a little bit. But so the way I organized this is by hair and makeup. So here I have my products that I use mostly, that I use all the time. I'm using all the time. These two, honestly, I don't even know why they're here. They probably shouldn't be here now that I think about it, but I was using them for my braids. And then I have my pills. I'm currently taking biotin just for a little bit. Then here's my hair tools. And this is my makeup wipes, and of course here is my makeup. All my makeup is stashed in here just to keep everything neater, except for my powder because I couldn't really fit it inside here completely. And then in here I have my other hygienic stuff and my lip glosses and chapstick. Okay, so it used to be that I'd keep all my makeup and jewelry in this kind of container thing and in these cute glasses and cups. This is actually a wine glass. So are these two, but I just took them and used them for my own doing anyway. And yeah, this is of course a cup, but these I felt looked pretty, so I took them and used them for my jewelry. Enough said. All my lipsticks are in here. I used to also put lipsticks in here because before this couldn't carry all of my lipsticks, but I don't know how I was able to fit them all exactly in here now. I feel like maybe it was brushes I used to keep in here. Not sure. Well, this will still look pretty empty anyway, so I left it empty. And then I separated my earrings and rings into two places. Here I have my broken earring that I plan on fixing at some point. And that is it. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, thumbnail. So if you like the finished, let me push it so that it all comes together. Let's make it come together. Yes, baby. If you like the finished look, you know what to do. Give this video a like. Also, let me know, when do you like to reorganize your stuff? Are you more of, I always do it every day, or I do it every week or every month, or hardly ever, that kind of person? Just let me know, and I will see you all next time. Deuces.